Let's take an example to understand how to create an API documentation file. The following Python program contains two simple functions. The first function is add function that takes two numbers and displays their sum. The second one is message function that displays a message welcome to Python. A function contains a group of statements and intends to perform a specific task. In Python, a function should start with the def keyword. After that, we should write the function name along with parentheses as def at closed parenthesis. We will learn about functions fully in a later chapter. Observe that the addXY function calls a print function that displays the sum of x and y. But it also contains documentation strings inside a pair of triple double quotes. Similarly, the message function, which is the second function, calls a print function that displays the message welcome to Python. This function also contains documentation strings written inside a pair of double quotes. At the end of this program, we are calling these two functions. While calling the first function, we are passing two values 10 and 25 and calling it as add 10, 25. While calling the second function, we are not passing any value. We are calling it as message only. Now, consider the following program. After typing this program, save it as ex.py and then execute it as. This is the general way of executing any Python program. Now, we will execute this program once again to create API documentation file. For this purpose, we need a module pdoc. In the following command, we are using m to represent a module and pdoc is the module name that is used by the Python interpreter. After that, w indicates that an HTML file is to be created. The last word x represents the source file name. As understandable from the above lines, the output of the program is displayed and also the exhtml file is created. Open the exhtml file in any web browser.